Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Insider. Today, we're looking at why some crypto insiders believe Dogecoin might be a dead dog. Do you know the answer? Cryptocurrency's wild price swings can send investors into a frenzy. Are you ready for the roller coaster? Elon Musk's beloved Dogecoin once soared, only to plummet dramatically in just months. What happened? After Trump's election win, Dogecoin tripled, thrilling investors, but that joy didn't last. Musk's appointment to a government role seemed to link to Dogecoin's surge, but reality struck hard. Money Insider cautions us that Dogecoin's appeal lacks real utility in today's world. Unlike Bitcoin, which is gaining acceptance as digital gold, Dogecoin thrives on speculation and hype. Money Insider notes this meme-style investment is unpredictable, making it a risky choice for serious investors. Money Insider warns that identifying a solid reason for Dogecoin's price rebounds is almost impossible. As more investors realize its limited potential, many smart investors predict continued declines for Dogecoin's value. In the unpredictable world of crypto, making informed decisions is crucial to avoid being stuck with a worthless crypto coin. The market loves to keep us guessing, so as always, please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Folks, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this information, smash that like button, subscribe for daily updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications, so you don't miss our next video. See you tomorrow for the next market update. Stay sharp out there, and may the odds always be in your favor.